Next, in RES Automation Manager, we're going to take a look at parameters and functions. Let's create a new module. Add a task and search for Active Directory. We're going to create an Active Directory user. Fill in the name of the domain. Select the username and password of the security context and browse for a domain controller. In creating, select the OU where the user will be created. Under first name, right-click, select Insert Parameters and choose the AutoCreate option. Do the same for the last name. The user logon name will reference the last name and first name parameters that we've just defined. However, we'll also leverage the substring function in order to discover the first initial of the first name as part of the user's logon credentials. The user's full name will consist of the first name, last name parameters. Create and confirm the default password. And click OK to save the first task. The next task is Manage AD User. We first need to reference the user logon name that we created in the previous task. The Manage Active Directory User function allows us to add many user properties. And in this example, we're going to add a home telephone and mobile telephone number. Once again, these will be populated by the AutoCreate parameters. And the final task in our module will be to query. This will allow us to check that our Active Directory user has been successfully created with the right details. Under User Properties, we can add all of the elements that we created in the Create and Manage tasks earlier on. The user's first name, their last name, the user's logon name, and finally the home and mobile telephone numbers. Ensure that the three tasks are in the correct order. Click OK to save the module. Right-click to schedule job. You'll notice there's an exclamation mark under Job Parameters. This means that RES Automation Manager is waiting for more information. Enter the first name of your desired user, the last name of the user, the user's home telephone number, and the user's mobile telephone number. Go back to the Properties tab and select who we're going to run this task against. This can be any device with an RES Automation Manager agent running. Click OK to invoke the module. When the module is running, it will be moved from Job Scheduling to Current Activity. Under Job Results, we can see under Active Directory User, the first name, last name, home and mobile numbers have been successfully filled out with the correct credentials. And to confirm the account has been successfully created, we'll go into Active Directory User and Computers, browse to the OU RES demo, and sure enough there's our new user account with the correct logon name and the correct home and mobile telephone numbers.